GroundFloor, which is a real estate investment app, is going to pay you a $50 bonus for a $100 investment into some of their real estate projects. So let's go look for GroundFloor. I believe this is at the end. This is sorted by capital investments. So seeing as this is $100, it's one of the last ones in here. So we're going to click on details and earn $50 within 30 days. The bonus is $50. The minimum capital is $100. So GroundFloor is an American real estate investing and lending marketplace. It was the first real estate crowdfunding company to achieve SEC qualification utilizing Regulation A+, since the regulation became operable through the Jobs Act. GroundFloor offers short-term, high-yield real estate debt investments to the general public. So basically what you do is you go to their marketplace, you look at all of the real estate projects where someone is trying to raise money for a loan and you're investing money into the loan, so you're getting an interest rate back. So the way we get involved in this is you click on the Get Bonus green button up top here. That will take you to a sign-up page of which you are going to register and then activate your GroundFloor account, verify and link your bank account. So you're hooking up, probably using Plaid. I don't remember what I used, but it's probably Plaid to connect your bank account to GroundFloor app. And then upon linking the bank account, you're going to transfer $100 of funds into your GroundFloor account. And then finally, you're going to pick a project in the marketplace, one that you like. Looks like most of the minimums are $10, but you're going to invest at least $100 in a closed, fully funded GroundFloor opportunity. Now, this is what I would say is the only drawback of the platform as far as the bonus goes. The platform is great. It's a really cool way to make small investments into not large projects, but loans that are over $100,000 and get a return of 10, 12, 15% based on whatever the project is asking for. So the drawback, which is not a huge drawback, but that bonus you get when it is credited to you, it is a restricted credit, meaning that you can take that bonus and you can invest that bonus into an additional project, but you can't necessarily take that credit and withdraw. I think after 1 year, if you've not used the bonus, it will expire and then we'll remove it. At some point, you either can, the interest that's earned off of the bonus, you either get to cash that out, or at some point in the future, it may even be a year, you can take your bonus money and cash that out, but you can't do it right away. So you wouldn't be able to cash this out necessarily and use the stacked bonus strategy to invest that $50 into another bonus. So when we click on the Get Bonus link, it takes us to this page. Welcome to GroundFloor. GroundFloor is the only platform where you can safely earn up to 10% returns with investments that are secured and backed by real estate assets. So a typical real estate loan. Now you don't have to sacrifice returns without minimizing risk, and you can do it on a much lower size. When you invest $100, you and your friend will receive a $50 credit to invest on GroundFloor. You will receive your credit 30 days after you complete your qualifying investments. So if today is the first of the month and you put in $100, you'll get rewarded a $50 credit. You won't get access to that credit until 30 days. And then once that 30 days is up, you get access to the credit, but that credit has to be invested into a new project. And then your original $100, if it's invested in a project, I believe that you have to wait until that project is done. And then you can, get your money back and cash out. But the credit has to stay into a project. Okay, so when you click on the Get Started page, you will go through a registration process. I've already gone through it, so I can't show you that part. But as we go back to here, we can see that you are going to validate and activate your GroundFloor account. So that is typical registration page and probably either email or SMS verification. I apologize, I just don't remember what I did. So here is the, when you click on invest, these are the types of projects that are out there. We see one is in Tennessee, Florida, a bunch here in Florida. That's a real estate hotspot. The Those are all Florida. You can tell that the minimum investment on all these is $10, and that's just a table telling you they're offering 11% interest rate. There's 9.7 months on the term. This is the loan to value. So if they were borrowing $70,000, the valuation of the property would be $100 at the time of getting that loan. There are almost 2,000 investors in that project, almost 600 in this one. These are the loan amounts and the remaining days. So when we go to a typical investment, you just see a more detailed breakdown of what this looks like. And I'll let you guys go through this on your own as you discover what properties you might want to invest in. And then as far as hooking up your bank account and depositing money, you would click on this link over here. You go to account settings. That'll bring you to this page. For the bank accounts, you click on that, and then you only can have one bank account at a time. So in the beginning, there was no bank account, and I just added one. And then once you've done that, you go to the funds transfer, which is the one right below, and that'll bring you to this page. You click on add funds, and then funds will be added. And then once the funds are added, you can go back to the investment page, the invest, and pick a project. And that is how you do it. So enjoy that $50 if you do this bonus.